Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science tutorials. I know you've always been on tenterhooks waiting for questions under the proof of multiplication of complex numbers in their polar form or circular form. If you are new here, kindly visit my previous lectures where I have dealt with the proof so that in order to appreciate the concept to the core. In today's session, we are going to appreciate examples to understand the proof of the multiplication of complex numbers in their polar form. So let's begin business. If complex number z1 is equal to 2 multiplying cos 35 degrees plus I sine 35 degrees, and complex number z equals 2 multiplying cos 10 degrees plus I sine 10 degrees. Find the value of z1, z2. We said that for multiplication of complex numbers in polar form, we said z1 and z2, their product is equal to the product of their modulus. And what is the modulus? This is the modulus in z1, and this is also what? The modulus in r1 times r2. Remember this. The multiplication of the complex numbers is the same as what? Multiplying what? Their modulus, then cos into brackets, you add their arguments, then plus sine, then also add their arguments. That's what we did in our previous lecture videos. So we said it's the same as this is r1, r2. So 2 by 2 gives 4. So I have 4 multiplying, I have cos, then I add this, then to that. So I have 35 plus 10 plus I sine, I have 35 plus 10 again, so 35 plus my 10. So I have 4, then I have cos, this plus this gives what? 45 degrees, then plus I sine 45 degrees. Viewers, this is the answer to the question. Z1 multiplying what? Z2. Have you seen how simple it is? So for Tindanious Maths and Science YouTube channel, math is going to be very, very fun and easier. Let's appreciate the second question on the board. First, remember I said the argument or the reference angle can either be represented in degree form or in radian. Okay, and this is a relationship. You have this. Is that also? So that's 1 pi radian is equal to 180 degrees if you want to do the conversion. So the first question we had already solved for can be changed from degrees to radian using this. So the second question, we have find z1, z2. If z1 is equal to 9, then cos pi on 3 plus I sine pi on 3, and z2 is equal to this. So we know that z1 times z2 is the same as what? Multiplying their modulus, right? So I have 9 by 11 gives what? 99. Then I have cos, this is the first, so I have pi on 3 added to this plus pi on 2, then plus I sine, then I have what? Pi on 3 plus pi on 2. So I have this to be equal to 99 cos. So this will be what? 2 pi plus 3 pi. The LCM is what? Is 6. Then plus I sine is equal to 2 pi plus 3 pi on 6. So I'll have 99, then I have cos, this becomes what? 5 pi on 6. Then plus I sine, that's our 5 pi on 6. As simple as that. This is the end of the lesson. In our subsequent videos, we are going to dive into division of complex numbers in their circular or in their polar form. Bye.